Right, so today we're going to be installing these LED lights, and they're going to be the strobe ones. They're going to go across the side indicators, because the side indicators are really bad. They're like clear ones, they've got all mould in them, or blimmin' like everything else is, ugh. They need to be changed, so I've got these ones. Yeah, and this side, guys, this is the one on the right hand side, driver's side. It's got all the algae in it, look. It just looks very, yeah. They look very nice to look at. But yeah, I've got black ones. They're going to go from like right to left, I'm guessing. You know, or left to right, whatever it is. But yeah, love the car. These are the factory ones, and they've got loads of like stuff in them and whatever. Pretty standard. This is what you're looking at. Right, so these are the new ones, guys. You can see the new indicators, as you can see. It goes from left to right. It's got loads of text on it. It's a little bit disappointing. What we're going to do is we're going to start from the top. We're going to grab this tall piece right here. So what you're going to do, guys, is literally don't use what I was using before, which was this, because you're damaging and denting that. I just grabbed one of these small little pry tools. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the top section off first and just pop it in. And then you want to hold on the top section while you go like this and go, and then it should just pop off when you do this. And don't worry to lean it like this, because you've got this amount of room. Don't put it anymore, and that's leave it dangling. So guys, once you get to that stage, you just take the housing off, and then you get to the bulb and you just gently pop that off. Don't squeeze it too hard, otherwise you'll shatter it. And there we go, we've now got an open loose cable. Don't put your finger in there, be stupid. Let's get the other one, put it back in. So guys, this was a pain in the arse to put in. So literally what you're going to have to do is you have to take this out, right? And then you're just going to have to like grab this wire out, pop this one in, if you get what I mean. And then you're going to get 4 gold points inside of here. Get a pry tool, open those gold points up, slide that in, and then squeeze it, and then it should lock it in place, and it should be like that. So basically, to fix this problem, right, where the pins are way too blimmin' like close to each other, yeah, just grab this pry tool, pop it in here like so, in there, and just open it just a tad on both sides, and then it'll fit in, and then just squeeze the black piece in the middle, and it'll close it. Perfect. So once that's in, you just give that a little squeeze, and then should be good to go. Okay guys, now we're gonna pop it in, and I'm gonna just connect this up, take this film off. Not the best angle, but it looks pretty clean. Right guys, that's now connected. Let's turn it on. Well, actually, let's pop it back in and then turn it on before mounting it, otherwise there'll be no point whatsoever. Wow, that is very dirty. Look, all the blinking algae on that. Just gotta pop the bulb out, be very gentle, and then that's gonna go in the bag for like when I sell the vehicle. Right, and that one's good to go. That one's plugged in, as you can tell. I'm just gonna take the film off in a second. Plug that one in after I clean that up, and then we are good to go. I'm just gonna clean that up real quick. When I mean cleaning up, that's what I mean by cleaning up. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, looking pretty sick. I mean, just ignore what the last owner did to my car. I mean, just that needs to have some work done to it, because this is looking weird. I don't know why I'm getting rust on that though, that's really annoying. My next job will be painting the calipers white or blue, like the car, and the drums on the back. I'm not gonna lie, that is sick. That is well sick. $24.99 on Amazon. That is well sick. Oh man.